All right, so this is a video that just shows you how to set up a Google Drive that you can share with other people. So this is mostly to shows students how to set up a shared Google Drive and make sure they're sharing it with your instructor. So I'm going to go under this folder here, and I'm going to create a Google Drive here, and call it, let's say I'll make up a class AEDD 219, which doesn't exist, and we'll say that it's typing and structural. Okay, so you're going to create the folder. And once the folder is created, you can right click on that folder and you want to go to the share option. So this is where you would share it with your instructor. So I'm just going to use Bruce Carter as an instructor because he's an instructor here. And then you can write a message. Here is my shared folder for you to review and comment. And you want to make sure that your instructor is added as an editor, because otherwise they can only look at it, but they can't comment. So your instructor should be an editor, and then you as the owner can obviously edit. And then you can hit send. So just like that. Now, if you also wanted to share this with the rest of your classmates, then you can go to Get Shareable Link, copy the link, and then you can email your classmates. Oh, I have to change this. You can set this to anyone with the link or just Southern Maine Community College, but let's set this to anyone with the link. So you can copy the link and you can send it to fellow classmates, or your instructor can, because they've been given access, they can copy the link and share it with the class. If you're creating one of these folders in a Google Drive that your instructor set up that is already a shared Google Drive with the rest of the class, then anything within that Google Drive, folders and everything will be seen by the rest of the class as well. You just want to make sure that you have it set that only you and your instructor can edit it, and that's it. So you can check to see who's got what rights by going to the share and clicking on the little gear symbol. And then you can see that only editors can change permissions and share. So that means only you and your instructor can change permissions and share. And those are the only two people, the owner, who is the student. In this case, I'm pretending to be the student, and we'll pretend that Bruce is the instructor. So that's how you can share a Google Doc with your instructor, and how you can offer a link that gives your classmates a view of your content if you need to share it for a class project.